Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen and today I'd like to talk to you about family food cooking. Stay tuned and I'll bring you a recipe. Today's recipe is meatballs. The ingredients are a pound of mince, half an onion, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 egg, salt and pepper, and a general tomato sauce and pasta to serve. So we start by chopping the onion. For this recipe, I find finely chopping works the best. You could grate the onion or put it in a food processor, but I find chopping the easiest. Take an egg and lightly beat it. Add the mince to a bowl, along with the onion. Mixed herbs. You could add some cumin or garlic granules just to add to the taste. It's what you've got in your store cupboard at home. Anything you add at this point will add more flavour to the end result. Add salt and pepper. Then add some egg, the mince and onion. Just add a little bit at a time, otherwise your ingredients might get too wet. Once the ingredients is mixed, take walnut sized balls and put on a plate. Add a small amount of oil to the pan and add the meatballs. Gently cook for about 5 minutes until brown. Once the meatballs have browned and started to cook through, add the tomato sauce. Cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes until the meatballs have cooked through. The smaller the meatballs, the quicker they'll cook. I've used a shop bought tomato sauce today, but you could use passata and some mixed herbs. Serve with pasta of your choice. Today I've used spaghetti, but you could use any pasta you've got.